Hello guys, welcome to this video. So I'll be looking at the ICT Specimen paper 2023, paper 2. So for this, I'm going to finally do the presentation. So let me just go down to presentation. I'd already done the document production and the database. So I'm going to move down to presentation. So let's begin. The question says you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 6 slides using the file sp02about.rtf. Unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, so let's go ahead to create to open a presentation, and then of course we want to go to open. We want to browse for the file and then go to desktop. I'm interested in my source, what's it called, specimen paper. So you want to click here. You want to make sure that all is selected here, and then we want to use the about, and then of course open that. So you see that we have about 6 slides here, so we are correct. The question is correct here. Okay, and then it has, if you look at it very well, you see that every slide has a bullet list and a title, so we're good. So number 26, use a master slide to display only the following features. Automatic slide numbers on the top right, okay, and then your name, center number, and the candidate number. Okay, so of course automatic slide number on the top right. So we're going to use slide master for this. So we want to go to our presentation. You want to go to view and then slide master. Now here, this is where you want to be careful. You want to make sure that you click on the first one. Make sure you click on the first one, very important. So what we're going to do here, you can see that these placeholders here, this one here takes care of the date, and this one takes care of the footer, and then of course the one on the right here that has a hash, of course takes care of the page number. So you find out that the question says that you should have automatic slide numbers on the top right. So what I'm going to do is to take this one up to the top right, okay, and then ensure that no placeholder is overlapping. So I want to adjust this one down so that it doesn't overlap at all. So the next thing I'm going to do is on the footer here, I'm going to have my name. So they didn't specify where the footer should be, whether it's going to be on the top left or right or something. So I'm going to leave it the way the place it is. All I need to do is to have my name. So Ikechukwu Anolefo, Ikechukwu Anolefo, comma, and then we'll have NG156, comma, and then 0004. Okay, so the number and the footer, they will not appear until you go to, they will not appear on the main slide until you go to insert, and then you want to go to header and footer. So you want to make sure that you check on the slide number and then check the footer. Okay, so I'm going to apply everything to all. So that's when you exit. So I'll go to slide master, and then when I exit, I'm going to see them here. So as you can see, my page numbers are on the top right, and then of course I have my information down here at the footer, right? And then all of them are in the same position, right? So I think that done. So make sure that master slide items appear in the same position on every slide. No items overlap on any slide. Okay, so we're good with this, right? So number 27, format slide 1 with a title slide layout with the title and subtitle text centered in the middle of the slide. So all I need to do, I'll go and click on the first one. Okay, I think I'm already there. You can go, once you click on it and select it, go to layout here, and then of course take the title. I can also, for me to get this, I can right click on it and then go to layout right down here, and then can click, and then you see that it's center aligned, everything is cool, right? So that's it for that. So that's how you can achieve that. So to number 28 on the slide with the title marketing, sorry. Right? So slide with the title marketing. Where is marketing? This is marketing. Okay. Demote the four bulleted item. Sorry, the four bulleted items after the text dedicated marketing. So this is after the text, let me see, dedicated marketing manager. Okay, after the text is, so the four bullets, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we select them, so they look like this. Okay, so they look like this, so italic and then have hyphen as their bullets. Okay, and then of course demoted also. So what we're going to do is you want to go to bullets, you want to click on the arrow by the side, you want to go to bullets and numbering down here. So you want to customize it, so you want to use the hyphen here, and then okay that, okay everything. Okay, as you can see, it's already hyphenated. That is, the titles are in hyphens. So what you want to do here is to select, I want to select this the particular bullet you want to demote by increasing the list level. So when you increase the list level, you demote. So the next thing I want to do is to make it italic, just to look like what we have here, right? So that's just that. So number 26, use the data in the file SP02 sales, so sales.csv, to create a vertical bar chart to compare the sales of yachts by size for only the year 2021. Display with labels the yacht length on the category axis and the number sold on the value axis. Okay, so first of all, let's go compare sales of yachts by size for only 2021. So let's go open that. So that's sales, right? So I'll go to, oops, see where I am. Let me go to my desktop and then go to my specimen, open that. What are we're interested in sales here, so we'll open that. Okay, so we are doing it by size. So this is size 30 to 40 meters. Okay, so we're going to select here and then hold down control key and select sales for 2021. Okay, so you want to select this both, and then you want to go to insert. So I'm going to use recommended charts right here. Yeah, recommended chart, so it gives me the best option possible. So I'm gonna like open that. So this is what I need. Okay, so let's see the next thing. So display with labels the yacht length on the category. So let's see. Oh, sorry, the yacht length is already on the category here, and then what's next? And then the numbers, the number sold on the value axis. So the value axis is the vertical value axis here. So everything is okay. So that's for number 29. So number 29 sorted out. So number 30, label the chart as follows. Okay, chart title will be Super Yacht Sales 2021. So I'm going to copy this. Where am I? Okay, so I'm going to give it, so paste that right here, and then I'm going to still select all, and I want to make the I like the text to be black. I want to make it black. I don't want to make it bold. I'll just leave it like that. What's the next thing? So the value axis, number sold. So I'll copy that. So for us to bring out the value axis, you want to select the chart. You want to go to plus here. You want to go to axis titles. Okay. So I'm going to just give the value title this, number sold, and then probably make it black. Okay, so category axis length in meters. So you want to give it length in meters. This is the category axis. You want to give it length in meters, and as well Yeah. So I like to make them black, so they're black enough. So number 31, display only the values as data labels above each bar. Okay, so you want to go right there, so make sure you click on the data, go to plus sign, you want to go to data label, so you want to just click on it, and then the values will appear on each bar, right? So do not display a legend, so no legend displayed, as a matter of fact. Okay, so that's for that. So number 32, format the value axis scale to display minimum value of 0 and maximum of 120. So you want to go there, you want to click on the value scale, scale here, or the value scale. So you want to go to format axis. You want to make sure that the maximum is actually 120, and then the minimum will be 0, which is already there, and then increment will be 15. So here the measure here, which represent the increment, is 20, so I'm going to make it 15 right there. So, and I'm going to enter, so it's going to apply, right? So we have 0, 15, 30, 45, and all that to 120. So that's fine. So I'm going to close that. Okay, so 32 done. So number 33, place the chart to the left of the bullet on the slide with the title sales. Place the chart to the left of the bullets on the slide with the title sales. So let me look for sales. Okay, this is the sales. Okay, so we said that we should place the charts to the left of the bullets. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just resize the bullets to the right here, and then go ahead and copy the chart. So I'm going to click on the chart once, and then Control C to copy, and then of course go to my slide, and then of course Control V. So see that I clicked outside first of all. Before I do that, you can right click and paste any one of them, so that'll be fine. So let me just adjust. So I think it's fine. Anything overlapping? Nothing, right? So you can see no words. Okay, so make sure that no words are split, all data are and labels are fully visible. The chart and its content do not overlap any slide items. Okay, so I think everything is cool, nothing is overlapping and all that. So everything is cool there. So number 34, on the slide with the title our services. Okay, so let's look first of all locate our services. Yeah, our services. Yes, format the text yacht character. So this is yacht characters. Sorry, did I say yacht characters? That's yacht chatters. Okay, yacht chatters, so that when clicked it goes to the slide with the title sales. Okay, it goes to this slide with the title sales. So what I'm going to do, so now I've selected it, I want to right click, I want to go to a link, I want to go to place in this document. So one thing we must take note of that is that the question says take screenshot evidence to show that the text links to the correct slide. Place this in your evidence document. So that's step 34. So so I want to click on place in this document, and then I want to click on sales, right? So you can take a screenshot, but I'll okay it and to test it first of all to see that it's working. So I'm going to, as I'm already on the current slide, I'm going to hold down my shift key and press F5 to put it on slideshow. So if I click on this link here, it's going to take me to sales. Okay, so that works perfectly. So for me to get the link back, where am I? I think it's here. So I'm going to right click on it and then go to edit link, and then it's going to show me this. So I'm going to now take a screenshot of it, right? So normally I think sorry, there's a way I do it. I like to take it to the side here so that I'll copy both the link and the hyperlink dialog box. Okay, so I'm going to just do it one more time and then copy from here so that the link will be available to be shown. So I'm just going to copy that, and then in my evidence, oops, the evidence is not even here. Sorry, let me go back to my work area, and then where's evidence here? So this is evidence. So I will go down to 34, step 34 here. Then I'll paste it right there. Okay, so I think 34 is done. So we're good with 34. So 35 says save the presentation. Okay, so let's go first of all, let's go save the presentation. So I'm going to go to file. Oh, sorry. I'll probably okay that. And then go to file, go to save as. Browse for my location specimen. I want to save it in my work area. What do I call it? Tower Ratch broadcast. I'll just leave it at that. Okay. So print all the slides as a handout with 2 slides to the page, each slide filling half the page. Okay, so you want to go there, you want to go to file, you want to go to print. So here we want to select full page slide. So you want to get to 2 slides per page here, and then yep. So I think print all slides. So I think from the question we see that print all the slides. So it's all the slides that we're printing. So at this point you see that it's on portrait, so that's fine. So you can go ahead to print. So we have about three pages here. One, two, three. We have 3 pages. So I'm going to go ahead to print to PDF. Right. So I'm going to call this step 34 printout. Okay, so I'll publish that. So oops. So I think I need to make some changes so that it will be able to appear on single 2 pages, right? Let me see the changes I need to make. So I will go back there again, print, then print to PDF, print without sensitive labels and other metadata. No, I'll continue with this one. So the only thing I need to do here, so I'll create, and then the only thing I need to do here is to go to options. So you want to get frame slides, include hidden slides. I think I will include these slides, right? Slides. I need to print slide handout. I think that's it. Slides. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to publish. So I'm going to give it this same name here and then replace it. Okay, I'm going to replace it and then see what happens. Oh my God, 6 slides. No, I forgot. I forgot. Okay, I need to make it actually. Sorry. Print to PDF. Why do I always forget this? So I'm going to print to PDF again and then 34. So from options here, I think when I check this frame slides include hidden slides, I need to come here. It needs to be printed in handout. So you want to slide per page, you want to make it 3. These things are not a must. You can just you know, like print straight up. You want to make it 2, sorry, I think it's 2 per page, sorry, not 3, 2 per page. Okay, so it's not a must. You can actually go ahead to print straight up, but I try to keep this PDF of this just in case if anything happens with printing during the examination. So that's why you might want to do this. So I'm going to publish this, replace that, and then see what comes out this time around. Okay, so it shows the way we want it. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be. So 2 slides per page. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be, right? Good. So that's for that. Save and print. So we've been able to do that, the printing. Yeah. So task 5, printing the evidence document, to make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page of your evidence document. Save your evidence document, print your evidence document. Okay. So we can have our evidence, excuse me, we can have our evidence here, so we can go ahead and print our evidence. Okay. So I think that's about it for the for this paper 2 of the specimen paper. Okay, guys. So if you have any comment, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and then like the video and share the video for others to also see this. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one.